What if I told you the future of van life doesn't cost $80,000? What if I told you it runs cleaner, drives smarter, and lives better? And what if I told you it only has 3 wheels and costs around just $15? 0,000. This isn't hype. This is the next evolution of mobile living. For years, van life has been marketed as freedom, but the reality is very different. Traditional camper vans are heavy, expensive, and inefficient. Fuel costs keep rising, maintenance never ends, and the price tag alone shuts most people out. This 3-wheel camper flips that entire idea on its head. It's designed from the ground up for modern nomads, digital workers, and anyone who wants independence without financial stress. The first thing you notice is the design. Smooth, rounded lines, a futuristic body, and a panoramic windshield that feels more like a concept car than a camper. The single front wheel gives it precise, confident steering, while the dual rear wheels provide balance and stability on the road. This layout reduces weight and drag, making it easier to drive in cities, on highways, and even tight parking spaces. It's compact, but it doesn't feel small. It feels smart. Step inside, and the experience completely changes. The interior is minimalist, clean, and surprisingly luxurious. Soft leather captain seats welcome you in, paired with warm ambient LED lighting that instantly makes the space feel calm and modern. Digital control screens manage everything from climate and navigation to battery levels and entertainment. Nothing feels outdated. Nothing feels cluttered. Every element has a purpose. Behind the seats, the living space is designed for real life, not just short trips. There's a compact kitchenette with smart storage, clean cabinetry, and enough room to prepare simple meals on the road. The layout maximizes every inch of space, making the camper feel open and comfortable rather than cramped. This isn't just a vehicle you travel in. It's a place you can actually live in. Performance and efficiency are where this camper truly stands out. With fewer mechanical parts and a lightweight electric design, it delivers lower maintenance costs and significantly better energy efficiency than traditional vans. The 3-wheel configuration means less friction, better range, and quieter operation. Whether you're cruising long highways or living off-grid, this camper is built for independence and sustainability. Now here's the part that changes everything: the price. Around $15,000. That's not a typo. While most camper vans cost as much as a house down payment, this opens the door to van life for everyday people. No massive loans, no financial pressure, just affordable freedom on wheels. It's proof that mobile living doesn't have to be exclusive or overpriced. As fuel prices rise, housing becomes less affordable, and people search for alternative lifestyles. Solutions like this aren't optional anymore. They're necessary. This 3-wheel camper represents a shift away from excess and toward efficiency, simplicity, and control. It's not about owning more, it's about needing less. This isn't just a camper, it's a statement about the future. 3 wheels, one smart design, and a new way to live free.